तुम्ही रेड मारले तितू थिंग फायंडिंग्स कितें what are your findings now you have raided chicken stalls you have raided peas you have raided pulao biryani I want to know what is your findings whether the food will be safe after you raid it and what steps you are going to take to see that this part हें पट जेवण आहा ते आमी सेफ जेवताय काय ना ते चोवपाक क्लियर कट आन्सर जाय म्हाका
एफडीएचे जे सक्रिय एक भूमिका घेतलेली आसा कारण सगळ्या लोकांची कंप्लेन आशिल्ली पयली की आमी योग्य तरेन आमी ते एक्शन घेना आनी ते रेड नो स्पीकर सर ते इन्स्पेक्शन करता आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करून टे गेट द पीपल ऑन द बोर्ड तुवें जे सांगला आय थिंक that the department is doing a very good job and the director has been given a free hand to see whatever is required as per the rules and also not harass anybody. There is no intention to harass anybody but to get people on board even if there are cards and other things counsel them and try to tell them and get them to certified whatever the certification that is required without troubling them.
Please understand आज cancer cases increase झाले and one of the main reason doctor म्हणताय की cancer cases जाता is because of the food. It is a very serious topic. It is not to be joked. हे फकाण करपा हे इशू न्ही आय एम नॉट कॅस्टिगेटिंग हिम हांव सदांच असेंब्ली सदांच कंटिन्युअसली 4 टर्म मुगे असेंब्ली येला मुझे फकाण पासून केला हिंगा प्रॉब्लेम फकाण केल म्हणना फकाण
We are serious but only I wanted to give me specifically because I'll just tell you why honorable CM will also agree आम्ही जेन्ना विधानसभेन उत्तरां दिता तेन्ना हांवें जर सांगलें हांव सगळें चॅक करून खरेंच लोकांक दिसतलें की हांव सगळे कडेन धाड मारपाचो तशें ना तें तूं स्पेसिफीक कितें तुका जाय
आतां इन्स्पेक्शन केलें तूं म्हणटा रेट मारला इन्स्पेक्शन केलें कितें मेळ्ळा वॉट आर द फायंडिंग्स फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गॉड टू नो
जायते कडेन डायरेक्टर जे पळयता तुमी आयज सोशल मिडियाचेर पळयता ते जायते कडेन जे हायजिनीक गोश्टी ना जे कितें कंटेंट सारकें ना ती आपल्या रूल बुक प्रमाणे शी इज गोईंग एवरीवेअर एंड डुईंग
FDA जे conducted what is your target random only on intelligence input randomly do you conduct targets on school canteens fast food outlets are there repeated offenders for a height are there any repeated offenders have you blacklisted them currently have they been caught
is that this is a very tricky issue and as a result of which it is not only tricky it requires more surveillance and whatever we have whatever teams we have we are managing and also we are keeping a tab on the usual areas and locations on specifically on the coastal belt and other areas where these things are repeated